best beach volleyball team in the world. They're gunning for another win and tuning up for the Beijing Olympics. How good are they? Find out now. One of the perks of being an Olympian going to Beijing, Phil Dahlhauser, Misty May, Nicole Brana last night went out to Dodger Stadium, Coach Karai, and got to throw out the first pitch.
I'm all right, actually. Not much of a nervous person, so I'm going to throw a strike.
In the middle of the second set.
It's a lot farther than I expected. Oh!
Rosenthal with a swing for the win. Yes! Rosenthal in give. A stunning upset here in Long Beach. This is the President of the United States and Mrs. Bush inviting the Olympians to come out and say hello.
I mean, we're going to give it our best shot, and like I said, Carrie and I are focused on the win, and this is something that we wanted, so I think it's going to happen.
Carrie Walsh for the win. No, not yet. Walsh should try it again. Got it! Misty May and Carrie Walsh are headed to Beijing on a monster win streak. They have now won 18 tournaments in a row and 101